I didn't care enough to bring the mat out. I'm really busy this week, so just a quick video with 300 SLs because I got this. This is the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. And yeah, it doesn't say it on the outer box, but it is the RLC one, the one that said it was going to ship out in like October, but these have actually started to ship out. They have been shipping out over the past couple weeks, and yeah. And is this acrylic case going to give me trouble in opening? I think the answer to that question is yes. I can't do this. I don't know if there's like a trick or anything, but I seriously have never like figured out a good way to get these acrylic cases off. It's annoying. It's like they're held together with titanium. There goes the plastic insert in the case. I'm not going to keep that. I'm probably just going to throw it away. Like, I don't understand. Wait. See, I can get one side off? Oh, I did it. I did it. Oh my gosh, that's a first. That is a first. They didn't take 20 years. Okay. I have the model. We're going to take it off the base in a little bit. After I am done unscrewing the model, because we're going to take it off the base to get a better look at it. So, see you guys in a bit. As you can see in the corner, I have unscrewed it. But I also brought out some other 300 SLs. So, Hot Wheels really likes the 300 SL. They really like it. I actually think the first 300 SL they did was the RLC one, which came out in 2019. I think it was 2019. It was in green. I think it's the best version with the steelies. I don't have it. I wasn't an RLC member at that point in time. They did another one in 2021 in chrome. I didn't get that one because RLC in early 2021 was a luck of the draw. And now they have done a new version. And yeah, but in 2020 they rolled out a premium version. So it's very similar to the to this 300 SL, but it's more of a, I guess maybe a racing version. I don't know. It's got two side mirrors. It's modified, no opening doors. This is actually a premium box set version that came out. I think it was 2021 or was it 2020? No, I don't remember what year it came out in. This is a premium box set version though. But they've done a lot of this. 300 SL, at least the premium one. This came out in 2021 though, or at least the basic version came out in 2021 in the main line. This is obviously the version that is a super treasure hunt. This is not the super. I don't have that super, but this is the basic 300 SL they did, which is pretty much the premium one, just with a plastic base. And recently, not even really recently, they did the Elite 64 version, which actually was a 1 of 50 IWC charity model before it became an Elite 64 with moving parts, a bunch of insert pieces. It's a completely different casting compared to all the others. And yeah, the RLC one obviously is the oldest of the three, but I haven't had it until now. As you can see, it does get the gold wing doors. You do get a little bit of interior detail in there, if you can see that. I can actually probably zoom in. See, it's painted silver there. These do shut. How nicely do they shut? I don't know. They shut okay. Mine shut good. The only issue, look at the top. Panel gaps. Panel gap. That's kind of an issue with the 300 SL. The Elite 64 one. You get really thick panel gaps on the top because, you know, they want to do the opening doors. This is metal on metal. This actually, they chromed the base. Is it metal? I think the base is metal. It should be metal. It's RLC. So this also comes around to form the bumpers on the base there. And yeah, the wheels are this kind of GT style wheel in silver, which I think is a really cool finish. Wait, actually, hang on. Is it silver with a chrome lip? I think it's actually got a chrome lip on it. I think it's silver with a chrome lip. Yeah, look at the reflection. Because the actual wheel itself is just a silver. It shouldn't be that reflective, but I think the rims are chrome. That's cool. I really like it. Mercedes-Benz on the side. I know I'm touching it with my nice oily fingers, so you see they're getting prints all over it. It's fine. I can probably just wipe it off later. It says something on the side here. No, that's supposed to be a door handle. Wow. Crazy. It says Mercedes-Benz on the side. Here's the front. Some more Mercedes detailing. This is in a nice ox blood. Yeah, Hot Wheels has done a lot of ox blood. They recently sold the BMW in ox blood. I don't know why there's so much ox blood. Here's the back. Red hot on the license plate. Let's get a look at that back. 300 SL on the trunk. Silver trim around the windows. One mirror, which it's supposed to be like that. There's no like slot for the other one, so that's just the way it is. And I don't think it's printed in or anything. I think they just chromed it so it can be reflective. That's the RLC 300 SL, at least the newest version, the third version. I like it. It looks nice and red, and I actually kind of dig these wheels. They look better than the ones they put on the chrome one, I will say that. I think the kind of silver look with the chrome lips is pretty sweet. And yeah, there's the base. Can you see me in the base? See my shirt? See my Bucky shirt? See Bucky the Beaver, or whatever his name is. And you go up, and I think there's the outline of my head. There's my ear. I love chrome. This is actually shadow chrome base. It's like a charcoal chrome. Anyway, enough looking at my reflection through the base of a Hot Wheel. This is pretty solid. Not bad. I don't know when this video is going up. It's either going to be on Thursday, or more likely it'll be up on like next Wednesday or something. I have no clue. But yeah, that's about it. Just a bunch of 300 SLs, and I like it in red, and it's cool. And yeah, see ya.